Hey everyone, in this video I will explain AWS regions and availability zones. Okay, so first of all, what is a region? So a region is basically like a geographical location, right? So like for example, Mumbai is one region. Suppose we consider this as a Mumbai one region. Then we have another region like Singapore we have. Then we have here Virginia. Okay, so suppose three different regions, three different geographical locations, and each region is obviously completely separate from each other. So what happens when you create an EC2 instance in Mumbai region? So suppose you created an EC2 instance in Mumbai region. So it will exist only there. Okay, so it won't show up in any other region like Singapore or Virginia. So now inside every region you will have availability zones. Okay, so each region will having availability zones, different availability zones in different isolated environments. So it will be close to each other, but it will be fully isolated. Okay, so what happens like in Mumbai region, so you will see zones like AP South 1A, then something AP South 1B, then AP South 1C. Okay, so each one is basically a different data centers. Okay, so but why does all this matter? So because if one availability zone goes down in case, so your application should still run right in another zone. So that's why AWS keeps them separate. Like suppose if your application was deployed in this one, so obviously there will be some copies of in other regions as well, right? So in this way, if this fails, so your application should run in this particular data center or in this. So now the question is, how do you choose a region? Okay, so you usually pick a region based on the some factors like latency, like how much time it takes from your user base to the data center. Okay, and then you will consider like what is the cost, then the compliance, like whether in your country that data policies might be there something. So based on all these things you can decide which region you want to go. So suppose if your users are in India, so you can pick a Mumbai. If they're in the US, then you can pick some US region. Okay, so that's all about the regions and availability zone. So a very quick summary, like regions are basically the big locations and availability zones are the data centers inside a region. So once you understand this, then AWS architecture makes a lot more sense. So that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.